Hello everyone, now let us see the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Here, highly expected 3 marks question or 5 marks question can be the experimental study of photoelectric effect. This can be also a case study question because there are so many things, so many topics under this experimental study of photoelectric effect. So what are the points to be noted? Number 1, experimental setup, that is the experiment. 2, effect of intensity of light on photocurrent. 3, effect of potential on photoelectric current. 4, effect of frequency of incident radiation on stopping potential. 5, stopping potential versus frequency of incident radiation on different metals. So this is one of the most important highly expected question from this chapter. And number 2, Einstein's photoelectric equation. That is only equation, so you may get a numerical based on that. 3, particle nature of light, the photon, that is the properties of photon. And 4, wave nature of matter, de Broglie's wavelength. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you all. All the best for your exams.